Hi everyone! Today's Qigong practice is designed for your lungs. I think that's a donkey. This is a short practice, so you can easily incorporate it into your morning ritual. This is good for opening the chest, strengthening the lung tissue. It's also good if you're recovering from lung disease or you're smoking and you just want to support your lungs as much as you can. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Stand up nice and straight, unlock your knees and relax your whole body. Gently massage your hands until they feel nice and warm. We're going to begin with some acupressure massage. So with an open palm, massage the area under your collarbone towards the shoulder. This point helps to stimulate the energy in the lung meridian and tonify the lungs. The lung meridian runs down your arm to your thumb, so massage this area a few times. Then do the same on the other side, starting from the collarbone. Then continue down your arm. Make sure you massage your thumb. Massaging the points and the meridian help to release tension and blockages, allowing the energy to flow better. When you're finished, relax your hands by the side and wiggle your big thumbs to feel the energy being activated. Then go ahead and gently knock on your chest. This tapping technique helps to release any blocked energy from the areas and warm up the lungs. Then raise your hand up and gently knock on the rib cage down towards the hip bone. Do the same on the other side. Relax your hands by the side. Then go ahead and tap on the back, trying to reach as high as you can, stimulating the back of the lungs. Then slowly move down to the lower back and knock on your tailbone. Shake it off, come back to center. Make your hands into a loose fist. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose as you lift your shoulders up. Exhale to release and relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Repeat 3 times. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Relax your neck and shoulders. From here, we're going to rotate the shoulders. Continue following your breath. Inhale as you go up. Exhale as you move down. This is a good way to open the chest and the upper back, encouraging blood and energy flow to the lungs. Change the direction Inhale as you go up and forward. Exhale down. One more time. Relax your neck and shoulders. Open your palms and take a moment to notice how you feel. Then bring both hands to your chest. Take a nice deep breath in as you open your chest, spreading your fingers nice and wide. Exhale as you return to center. Breathe in as you open. Breathe out as you soften. Breathe in. Breathe out. The key here is to stay relaxed and not overstretched. I want you to feel the expansion in your chest without causing you any pain or discomfort. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Repeat 10 times. Begin to notice the difference as you spread your fingers nice and wide. Keep your breath full yet relaxed. Allow the energy and oxygen to flow in naturally. If you feel the tension building up on your neck and shoulders, lower your arms, keeping them just below the collarbone. Continue to breathe fully. Remind yourself to stay relaxed as much as you can. One more time, full breath in. Long, easy exhale. Relax your hands by the side and take a moment to notice how you feel, especially the projection of a lung meridian. Your chest, the shoulders, down the inside of your arm. Then place both hands on your lower abdomen. Take a nice deep breath in into your belly, filling your abdomen with your breath. Exhale softly, pulling the belly in towards the lower back. Inhale into your belly. Exhale. Breathe naturally without force or strain. Repeat 10 times. When you're finished, focus your concentration on your lower abdomen. This helps to gather the energy in the dantian. Feel free to close your eyes and concentrate on the sensations within. Relax your hands by the side and finish your practice. Thank you for joining me. I hope you feel nice and energized. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you would like to practice longer routines, join me live every Sunday on Zoom. Consider joining my membership site. You can find all the information in the description below. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.